It has been a huge blessing to us to have Get Your Teach on here.
They really got to know us, so I think that helped it to be really successful.
Having Hope and Wade come in has been very powerful and motivating.
They are here in the building with us. They are working with our kids. They're literally putting themselves in our shoes.
I think that might be why it was so easy to take their strategies and implement them.
Nick has the floor. Ooh, watch him.
People get a renewed sense of why they became teachers in the first place.
Hope and Wade and the whole team just get the needs of a school. There's just been this incredible weight off our shoulders and permission given to us to be our best.
Get Your Teach On has helped us to collaborate across multiple grade levels.
We're using common language, we're using common resources, and everyone is more successful now.
Yes, you got it. High five.
It's just been a lot of celebrating as kids are just showing so much improvement.
To have Get Your Teach On come in and show us you can dream big, you can have high expectations, and to experience success, any school should have that opportunity.
This year has been transformative for the students and staff at Walt Disney Elementary School. I'm just excited for their future.